Hi, I'm Balde. I'm building Welo-Welo, a simple app to send money worldwide. A cross-platform app currently being built with Flutter and Dart. It can run on Android and iOS. This is a work in progress. UI flows are prototyped and services are simulated. Some screens and buttons are placeholders, and as you can see here, the app is running on an iPhone simulator 17 Pro. So this is the app, and for now we have this Flutter icon, but I will add my own icon next time here. So we will start exploring the application by double clicking on it. So this is the splash screen. And here we have onboarding screens, which we can skip if we want, but let's go through them. Fast and secure, we have the description. Same here, low fees. Same here, global reach, and get started. So now what we can do, we log in. So balde@gmail.com, and here I have added the minimum characters 5 here to simulate that this will not work. So password must be at least 6 characters. So let's add one more character here, and this is just for this project. So if you try to send me something here, it will not work because this is not my real email. This is an example for this project here. So now let's sign in, as we have now the required characters for this password. So sign in. Voila, now we are in, and let me show you the placeholders. For now we have, for example, this one. This is the notification icon here. We have request, we have bills, also more here. Those are all placeholders for now, but let's just explore what I have done so far. So available balance $2,450. So from here we can send money from this button or from this one. So send money to, so we can choose a country like Finland. We can change to another country, to India for example, or we can stick with United States here. Down below we add the recipient email or the recipient phone number. Let's say user1@gmail.com, and here is the amount, let's say $10, and this is also hard coded. As you can see, the exchange rate and the transfer fee $2.99. And even here we can, for example, say something. Hi, here is your gift. Continue here. So as a user, you can check if everything is correct. Like for example, if you want to increase or decrease this amount, we have $10. Fees here. The total is here, $12.99. So let's just go back and increase to $15. We can come here, increase to $15, and next we continue here. Let's assume that everything is correct. We confirm here. Transfer successful. Your money has been sent successfully. Done. We have this simulation here also. Recent transaction. Here I have added view all, and history are doing the same thing. Transaction history, like for this guy here, money sent, money added. So it's the same here. Now we are here in profile. Just an example here. As I told you, this is not a real email. Those features or components here, as you can see, all are placeholders for now. And we can log out here. So are you sure you want to log out? You can cancel or just log out. So this is what I have done so far, and I would love your feedback. What feature or component should we add next? Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye-bye.